The results of the second phase of genome sequencing on samples of COVID-19 patients were announced on Thursday. Of the 376 samples used, 304 samples were found to be infected by the Delta subtype COVID virus. None of the citizens whose samples were taken were reported to have been infected by the Delta Plus variant. In the first phase of genome sequencing, 93 citizens were found to be infected by the variant and 27 of them were fully vaccinated. Among the other specimens in the second phase, 2 samples were of the 19A subtype and 4 samples were from subtype 20A, and the remaining 66 samples were of the common COVID virus. Additional Municipal Commissioner Suresh Kakani said, "It is noteworthy that in the samples of both the first and second phases, not a single sample of the subtype Delta Plus, which is highly contagious, was found." Samples of a total of 188 patients infected with COVID were examined in the first phase. Of these, 128 patients were found to be infected by the Delta subtype virus, and other patients were found to be infected with the common COVID virus. Analytical findings have recently come to light regarding the data in the first phase, and according to this, out of 128 samples in Delta affected, 93 samples were from Mumbai patients. Out of these, 45 samples were from male patients and 48 samples were from female patients. Further, out of these 93 patients, 47 patients were vaccinated. Of these, 20 had taken the first dose and 27 had taken both the doses. The remaining 46 patients were not vaccinated. Only 4 patients who received both doses of the vaccine needed oxygen supply.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.